Friends, in previous section we have learned how to run Hello application over emulator. In this section we will learn about project structure, what is structure and how it will work. So let's begin. Friends, first we click here, we show a pop-up and there is lot of option. By default Android is selected and some more option is there, but for now we will select Android. You can see here two options, app and Gradle script. For app module you will see manifest file. Friends, this is most important. For manifest file is very important file. It works as bridge between application and operating system. So here we define our package name inside the manifest tag. Then inside the manifest tag, application tag will define. Within application, we will in here activity tag will define. Whenever you create any activity, a new activity tag will create it automatically. So here this is related to app icon. This is app name. What is our application name? It is the rounded icon, and this one is the our style. And within activity, inside the activity, there is intent for your entry point, and our app will enter from here. So friends, this is from manifest file. Next, we have Java folder. Inside Java folder, there are three folders you can see. First one is important here. Our all activities and Java file or Kotlin file. In our activity tag, we can define our activity, all activities. Or you want to create new activity file, then you go new and choose activity section and create a activity. But for now we don't want to create any new activity, or you want to create any new class Kotlin class file, then you can create file, class, interface, element, object, etc. So friends, in in this in this folder, in this folder we put our all files, Java files, Kotlin files. In next one, our is very this one is very important folder for our application. Here you can see four folders: drawable, layout, map, values. Drawable is basically responsible for handling all image files which we will use in our application. Layout file is basically responsible for handling all XML file which created and will put inside the layout tag. Make my folder contains our app icon. These icons in six variants: HDPI, MDPI, X, double X, triple X, HDPI. So these icons depends on the phone resolution, and they automatically pick suitable icon for this. Next one is values. Inside values, color. Inside the color, there you can define your custom color and use inside your application. By default, there is three colors will created: color primary dark, and color SM. Inside the string tag, you can define your custom string and use according to your requirement. By default, app name string will be created. In style, you will a default app theme will create it. You can customize it according to your requirement. So friends, this is our resource folder. The next one is Gradle script. Here you can see a lot of files, but most important, these two files. This one is app level and this one is project level. Friends, inside app module, there you need to specify what is your minimum target version, what is your minimum SDK, what is your target SDK version, what is your package name, what is your version code, version name, and here you define your dependencies. If you have any dependency, you can put here with implementation and put your dependency name like this. So friends, this one is app module and this one is project level module. So friends, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for the watching.